Mae Carl yn ddyn o fargoed sy'n siŵr o fod yn caru Nadolig yn fwy na chi. Ie, mae e wedi troi ei stafell fyw I mewn I groto Nadoligaidd. Gyda ffoil coginio. Mae llwyth o wefannau a phapurau newydd wedi rhannu stori Carl, fel Wales Online, Unilad, y Telegraph. Felly, dwi wedi dod I gwrdd â fe am chydig o dips.
Yeah, you're right. How's it going?
All right.
Tips for decorating. Just do what makes you happy, what makes you feel festive. Do it, you know. It's a nice time of year, you know. There's enough other stuff going on in the world, and try and make it happy as you can for Christmas.
OK, chi wedi gweld be mae Carl wedi gwneud. Felly, dyma lond llaw o hacks dolig DIY gallech chi drio adre.